guys, it's your girl Megan. Alright, so for this meal prep Sunday, it's going to be a quick one. Basically, slow cooker meal. Because I have a lot to do this week. Well, today. I need to do laundry, I need to clean up my house, need to do both of our hairs. So I got a lot to do. So I needed something that was going to be quick and easy, but tasty as well. And something that I can show you guys. Because you almost didn't have one. I'm just gonna say, I almost didn't have a meal prep because I was like, let's just do, because we're having tuna for lunch, but I was like, we need something for dinner. So anyway, so this is gonna be the Mississippi pot roast. I don't know how many variations of pot roast. I know a lot of people already know how to cook pot roast. You can do it in the oven, you can do it in a crock pot, you can do it in a pressure cooker, you can do it in so many other different ways. But this is what I like to do. It just gives it a different flavor. So here we go. Alright, so ingredients are very, very simple. You'll just need some au jus gravy or any type of gravy mix, a packet of ranch seasoning, some butter, my little things, some beef bouillon, some salt, some peppers that I cannot ever pronounce, but there you go. And you need some garlic powder, pepper, and of course your roast. This is a beef shoulder or butt roast or whatever, but you can use your pork roast, you can chuck roast, you can use whatever type of roast you want. I have a skillet with some olive oil that's heating on the stove. We're going to go ahead and sear this on both sides before we put it into the crock pot, just to soak in some extra flavor. So I'm going to season it with garlic, pepper, and just a little bit of salt, because the other seasonings that you have salt in them. And you flip it, and we're going to do the same thing. Right, meet you over at the stove while we get this seared. Right, so I'm just going to lay this in there, and like I said, let it sear for about at least a good 5 minutes on each side. You just want it to get a nice coating on it before you place it in your crock pot. Had to get in there.
Got a little problem there?
Why is you all in my face and stuff? Yeah. Alright guys, so our roast is actually seared on both sides for about 5 minutes on each side. So now we're just gonna add it to our pot along with olive oil, because that got all the other seasonings in it. Okay, so now I'm just going to add in basically everything else. So you got your packet of ranch. It doesn't matter what brand. You just got the Walmart brand or Au Jus Sauce. And you are supposed to use like 1 stick of butter, but I'm gonna use half, and this is unsalted. Sit that right there, or all over, however you want to do it. And I'm gonna put in about 2 cubes of beef bouillon. Tried to put it on the side to where some of that olive oil and fat is already rendered off, so that it can help it dilute it some. For this, I think that they're really just like pickled peppers, but don't know, can't pronounce it. So you use as little or as many of these as you want, and you just lay them all around. I suggest at least about 6 or 7, depending on the size of the peppers and the size of your roast. If you've never used them before, it's hard to describe the flavor of it, but it does give it a different flavor. You know what? Get some of that juice in there. Okay, and that's it, guys. Lid on it is on high. Actually, needs to be on high for 8 hours, and then I'm gonna stop it in like 5 hours, and then I'll add my potatoes and carrots and onion and celery to the mix, and then let it cook for the remainder 3 hours, and then you'll be done. All right, guys, it's been now about 5 hours, and I flipped it once. This smells delicious.
Yeah, that smells really good.
So
get that right there. There we go.
It has another 3 hours left to cook, but it's already very tender. All right, so I'm going to add in, I cut up about 3 stalks of celery, or ribbed celery, and this is about half a bag of the baby carrots. So just gonna dump those in there. There's water in it because I rinsed it. And celery. I have not added any extra liquid to this, and you don't really want to, because then it'll basically water down all of your seasonings that you put in. All right. So cover it back up, and we'll be done when it's fully cooked in 2 more hours. No, 3 more hours. So we'll be back. Alright, guys, it has been 8 minutes, and we have our finished product. 8 minutes, 8 hours. Yeah, I said 8 minutes.
Yeah, you did say 8 minutes, 8 hours.
I'm tired. I did laundry. I've been cleaning, editing. I'm tired. Alright, so yeah, that's our roast there.
Ooh, yeah.
So let's get, let me get this part right here.
Perfect.
You want the fat part. And I just made some homemade potatoes.
I'll take all the veggies.
I think we got enough veggies in there.
Some meat up in there.
I don't want to get a big piece.
There you go, right there. Yeah.
Okay. So here we go.
Ah, yeah.
Wow.
8 minutes to cook, right, babe?
Yeah, 8 minutes. You got it.
Good stuff right
I'm telling
there.
y'all.
It smells good, y'all. I wish y'all could smell that. It smells so good.
The peperoncini. Yeah, peppers. They give it a little bit of extra kick. And you can also add a coat to it. Maybe I'll do that on another meal prep or whatever, but
yeah, definitely do that again.
right.
We got a lot done today, baby, with a decent meal.
Yes. So, again, you can serve it over mashed potatoes. You can serve it over rice, whichever you like. Or you can actually add potatoes into it and do it like a traditional pot roast. However you do it, just cook it. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to give us those big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and share this video on all of your social media however you see fit. Alright guys, bye. Hey family, thanks for watching.
Please be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Also, check out our latest video and be sure to subscribe.
Bye
Bye guys.